Hello, my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope that you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you my coffee station decor for Valentine's 2022. So without further ado, here it goes. A very glamorous coffee bar Valentine's decor, a glam style. And here's everything that I'm going to be using. I'm going to start by showing you the mugs. This beautiful love mug is from Burlington, and I think I paid like $4.99 for it. This other two over here are from Walmart, and I bought this last year as a set, and I believe that I paid like $5 for them. This pink one over here is also from last year. I got it at the Dollar Tree in their spring collection, I believe. This two over here with the heart handles are from the 99-cent store, and the one in the back is from TJ Maxx. I also have this beautiful pink vase that came in a set of 5. I have this conversation hearts and this pink heart bowls. They have glitter in them. They look so gorgeous. I just love them. And then I also have this heart little spoon. It's a measuring spoon, but I use it for my coffee, and I've had this one for many years. I also bought this sugar cookies from Walmart and this Valentine's sprinkles for my coffee in the mornings, just to dress up my coffee and make it look nice and cute. I also have this gorgeous crystal heart container that I got at a yard sale for 75 cents in Colorado. And then I have this Valentine's vases from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be swapping the lids of the ones that I have to these ones. They fit perfectly, so it's gonna look beautiful. For more snacks, I have this heart-shaped marshmallows. I got this at Home Goods for $3.99. And then for every holiday, I have my favorite candy. So for Valentine's is this Lindor strawberry and cream truffles. If you haven't tried them, I suggest you do. You will fall in love with these. They're super good. I also have these straws from the 99-cent store. One is like little lip kisses, and the other one is little red hearts. And I left the ones that I use for Christmas out just in case I wanted to use them and combine them all together. From Walmart, I have this Valentine's napkins, and then from Hobby Lobby, these two signs that I didn't know which one I was going to use, so I have them both. And then I also have these two little houses. I bought these at Michael's after Christmas sale. I believe I paid like 30 cents for them, and I really like them to use them as coasters. And then I have this ribbon left over from last year, and I have all the goodies here. This candies. The Reese's are for my husband, the Hershey's for my older daughter, and the conversation heart for my younger daughter. We're all getting diabetes here, guys. Jokes aside, I got a goodie for each one of us. And then I also have these foam hearts from the Dollar Tree. And now that I've shown you everything that I'm going to be using to decorate this coffee station, we are ready to begin making this coffee station look fabulous for Valentine's. And that is it for today's video, my beautiful people. I hope you guys liked it and got some ideas, some inspiration to decorate your coffee station, make it look fabulous for this Valentine's 2022. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love you. God bless you and your family, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.